Okay guys, this is a part 2 of how to replace your oil filter housing gasket, and what we need to do next is taking our air box off, which is that connector right there, which is your airflow mass sensor, and also the little hose clamp and these two screws with a 10 millimeter socket. Alright, so our airbox is off, so what we need to do next is our upper radiator hose, which you have this clip. The only thing you have to do is pull that thing out towards the fan and try to disconnect it from there. Sometimes you need to use a little pry bar or a big screwdriver because it got stuck. You need to be really gentle because it's plastic. Okay, now we have it unplugged. So what I do when I work on BMWs, I always put this clip back in, so it would just be ready to plug it back in. Okay, this is what we do next. This is our E10 socket wobbly. The purpose of this little tool is to get into that screw down there. So what I do is stick it from this corner and trying to reach there we go. Oh wow, it's pretty tight. So what I do is use extension with a little deeper socket so you can stick it on your ratchet and have a little bit more of torsion. There we go. Okay, once you got the screw out, you need to take the other two off. There's nothing special with them, so you can use a regular E10, with the ratchet. So the bottom screw is a little bit more tricky, but it's not that hard. So you can use the regular 5/16 or 8 millimeter, combination wrench. But you need to be really careful because this is not the exact size of the bolt head. So you need to be really careful. And that's it. So this is your oil filter housing. Get the O-ring out. It is very simple. So you just get this new O-ring on the auto parts store and just stick it back in and use the same sequence just backwards, and that would be it.